Then you are most welcome on my YouTube channel. I'm Vedanand Singh, and today in this video I'm going to do the complete answer of the exercise combustion and flame, and the publication book is Science Spark by Edubul. So here we will do the complete answers of the exercise. So here MCQs are here, fill in the blanks are here, matchings are here, short answers are here, long answers are here along with the matching. So now first question is, which of the following is necessary for combustion to take place? The correct answer is that is oxygen. A is a correct option for the question. Now the next question is, which type of combustion occurs without external heating? Answer is spontaneous combustion. C B is a correct option for the question. Now the next question is, which part of a flame is hottest? The answer is inner zone. Now the next question, C is a correct option for the question. Now the next question is, what is the real what is the ideal property of a good fuel? The ideal property of the good fuel is low ignition temperature. So C is a correct option for the question. So the next is, what does a fire extinguisher control fire? How does a fire extinguisher control fires? The answer is, among the options, by cutting off the oxygen supply. Generally it cut off the oxygen supply, that's why the fire extinguisher control the fires. Now the next type question is fill in the blanks is here. The first is, the process of burning a substance in the presence of oxygen is called combustion. So the next is, the flame of a candle has three zones: outer zone, middle zone and inner zone. Now the next is, ignition temperature is the lowest temperature at which something catches fire. Now the next is, substances that catch fire easily is called inflammable substances. The next is, the calorific value of a fuel is measured in kilojoule per kilogram. Now the next type of question is, write true or false. The first statement is, water is effective in extinguishing oil or electrical fires. No, this is false. The next is, spontaneous combustion happens without external heating. Yes, true. So the next is, the blue part of a flame indicates complete combustion. Yes, true, it is true. Now the next is, LPG is an example of solid fuel. No, that is false. Now the next type of question is, define the following terms. The first term is combustion. The process of burning a substance in the presence of oxygen to give heat and light, that is called as combustion. Now the next is ignition temperature. The lowest temperature at which something starts burning, that is called ignition temperature. Now the next is calorific values. The amount of heat or fuel gives when it burns completely, that is calorific value. Now the next is spontaneous combustion. When a substance catches fire on its own without any external heating, that is called spontaneous combustion. Now the next is flame. The flame is the hot glowing part of a fire. Now the next type of question is, match the column. Means columns are here and we have to match here in column A and column B. There I have written the answer in the column B. So the first is rapid combustion. You have to match with control burning. B is a correct answer. Next is explosion. You have to match it with the C, that is sudden release of heat and gases. Next is blue part of a flame, that is the complete combustion. So E would be the matching. Now the next is incomplete combustion, that is produces soot. Now the next is carbon dioxide, that is fire extinguishers. Now next type of question is, give the reason for the following statements. Means here statements are given here, each statements, and we have to give the reason for that statement. The first is, a matchstick does not catch fire its own at room temperature. The reason is, it is because it needs to reach the ignition temperature to start burning. The next is, LPG is considered as an efficient fuel. The answer is, reason it is because it burns easily, gives a lot of heat and does not produce much smoke. Now the next statement is, fire extinguishers are filled with the carbon dioxide or foam. The answer is, reason it is because they cut off the oxygen which stops the fire. The next is, paper burns with flame but charcoal does not. Now the next reason is, it is because paper catches the fire easily and burns with a flame, but charcoal burns slowly without a flame. Now the next statement is, excessive use of fossil fuels leads to pollution. The reason is, it is because burning fossil fuel produces harmful gases like carbon dioxide and smoke. Now the next type of question is answer in brief. The first question is we have to give the answer in brief, means in simple word we have to give the answer, and short word, limited word. Now that is what is meant by combustion. Combustion is a process of burning substance in the presence of oxygen to give heat and light. Now the next question is describe the three zone of candle flame. We have to give the definition of the describe the three zone. There is three zone. First is outer zone. In the outer zone, the blue in colors and the hottest part. It is the hottest part, the outer zone. Next is middle part zone, yellow and bright, where incomplete burning happens. And the next is inner zone, the dark and least hot, contain unburned wax vapor. Means these are the three zones, and we have written the answer in short. Now the next is why is it important to use fuels with high calorific values? The answer is it is because such fuel produces more heat energy when burned, so they are more efficient and useful. The next is how does water help extinguish fire in most cases? The answer is water cools the burning substance and bring it down temperature below the ignition point, so the stop the fire. Now the next is what is significance of controlling fire in our daily life? The answer is controlling the fire help us use it safely for cooking, health, heating and protection without any without causing accident or harm. Now, the next is answer in detail. These are the questions we have to give the answer in detail. The first question is explain the different type of combustion with examples. There are three type of combustion. First is rapid combustion, means generally it happens quickly with a flame like LPG and gas stove, etc. Next is spontaneous combustion. We have already discussed here, means it happens on its own, burning by itself, like burning of oily rags. Now the next is explosion, sudden release of gas and heat with a loud sound like a firework. Now the next question is why does the outermost zone of a flame appears blue? The answer is the outer zone is blue because there is a complete combustion and it gets enough oxygen. Second is you can write in point that it's also the hottest part of the flame. The next is discuss how fire extinguisher work and their types. Answer is fire extinguisher stop the fire by catching up oxygen or cooling the fuels. It includes CO2 extinguisher, carbon dioxide extinguisher. It is used for electrical and oil fires. Next is foam extinguisher. It is used for liquid fire. Next is water extinguisher. It is used for paper and wood fires. Next question is list and explain the characteristics of good fuels. The good fuels should be, answer is, have high calorific value. It would give the more heat. Next is burning easily. Next is produce less smoke. Next is be cheap and easily available. And next is be easy to transport and store. Now the next and last question is explain how controlling fires has saved human civilization. The answer is controlling fire helped human cook food, stay warm, protect themselves and make tools and grow civilization. It leads to the progress in industries, transport and science. With this, if you have any query, means if you want to detailed explanation of any subject, means any topics of this particular subject, I can give you. But here now with this in Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.